Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of Roblox for your phone so you can get unlimited Robux. So I'm going to press this button, and as you can see, we can add 999,000 Robux. So I'm going to press unlock. Let's see if it adds it to my account, and then I'm going to show you how to get this onto your device. So let's just give it a minute for this to load. You can see it says session established and all this stuff. So let's see what happens. So it says verifying device. Receiving tokens, propagating changes. All right, so now the Robux is going up, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So it's super cool. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go to the browser and type in this website right here, which is tweakmod.com. All right, so this is the website, guys. So once you're there, just go to the search bar and look for Roblox. Press on it, press install. So before this downloads, is going to be a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just giving it a second to load up, and we're going to be good to go. So as you can see, guys, it's loading right now. So we should have unlimited Robux in 2026. So let's see if it actually goes through. So let's see what happens. All right, so version 9.9, that's great. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files, additional files are required. So you have to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. They're completely free from official app store, and then you should get the Roblox mod. So for instance, the Travel Town one is like reach level 9. So I just press continue, takes me to the app store. I just got to play it until I reach level 9. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and run this right here, as you can see. So I'm just doing that. So I'm just running this, So it's pretty easy, guys, but yeah, just got to play through it right here, as you can see. Obviously, guys, there are other apps. So for instance, we've got TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. We got Mode Casino, which says follow instructions on the next page, which are to install the app and open it. So just make sure you do 2 of them as a video to watch if you're confused. But I know firsthand how much Roblox costs. So if you guys want to get free Robux with this mod, you have got to try this out right now. It's fully working, guys. Super cool. So yeah, I mean, this is super insane, guys. So be sure to get the word out. You can see right here, we do have anti-ban built in. So we are not going to get banned, which is awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is fully working, guys. Super cool. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps, whatever they may be. I'm not sure, but it's super cool, guys. So definitely go ahead and get the word out, because this is actually working. And yeah, I haven't had to jailbreak or anything like that, which is wild. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty cool. If you guys need free Robux, definitely give it a try. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps, and make sure you go to settings and you got background app refresh on, and you got the low power mode off. But other than that, guys, you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is super awesome and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But if you're depressed because you got no Robux, I'm coming in hot, showing you the ways. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome. And it totally is updated for all devices and everything. So you guys have got to get and try this right away, guys, while it still works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and peace out.